you're saying that Angelina and Brad with tedious company to talk.
No, it's not just Angelina and Brad. It was whole,
Michael Winterbottom, Archie Bunny.
Sometimes what happens, it's almost like, you are still struggling there. Like everybody's talking about work, so that makes it very boring. It's not like, people meeting and just sharing ideas. It's not that. It's still, that everybody is trying to, it's like PR exercise. It's like a networking. All the parties become networking thing, and I'm very bad at it. I couldn't figure it out how to do that. I'm not good at it.
But then you're a mystery, because in this industry, which is all about networking, there's a star system very much in place. You have kind of, sidestepped it and made a place for yourself, which is so uniquely Irfan Khan. How have you done it?
It's just, I was being, it's very simple. I've been true to my thing, I wanted to learn acting, and I wanted to just enjoy doing it, and I never planned anything. I never planned. In initial days, I came here and I saw that people have their portfolios and they go door to door. So I tried to do it, and those are the horrible pictures. I still have some of them. And trying to be angry and लाल मुंह करके, लाल आंखें करके. I had all those pictures. एक बार मैं बड़ा करके केतन मेहता के ऑफिस भी गया था वहाँ. So very good. केतन ने देखा बोला, very good. मुझे लगा शायद काम देगा. But I figured out that when I go and meet people, I make a mess of it. I could feel that I'm not making any impression on it.
But you've never played a conventional singing, dancing lead successfully. You've done a few films, but they've never been successful as your other films. Is that something that bugs you? Is that something that you still want to achieve?
Not typical singing, dancing, but yeah, definitely I would love to do things which are larger than life. But I am not really convinced from inside that singing and dancing thing, or maybe someday some choreographer or somebody, gives me a kind of song which suddenly, I discover something in me,